Hello, I'm Dr. Purnima. I've done a 3 months fellowship at IIRFT under the mentorship of Dr. Rita Bakshi. And so, tell you about my experience. I say it was truly fruitful, and I gained completely from the tenure that I spent here. So, talking in terms of the clinical exposure, you see a lot of patients over here, and it's just not seen, you have a direct interaction with the patients. The protocols that have been undertaken, the scans, everything you're involved in the management of the patient. So, and talking about hands-on exposure, yes, we do have an adequate exposure, daily scans and monitoring, ovulation follicular monitoring, in the OT when you talk about ovum pickups, hysteroscopy, mock ETs. So it's an ample of exposure. And talking about the management of the patients over here, it is really good. True, genuine practice over here. And if you talk about the atmosphere is really good and friendly. So, Dr. Rita Bakshi, not once I would say I have seen her frowning her eyebrows at any of us. So, she's a true gem of a person, and same as her staff over here. So, all the consultants, fellows, the OT staff, the subordinate staff, everyone is very friendly, and it was a good time here. And here I take an opportunity to thank everyone. Thank you, Dr. Rita ma'am, and thank you everyone at IIRFT.